Welcome guys, so today I am with PowerColor AMD Radeon RX 6600XT Hellhound, and I'm going to show you how this card looks inside. So at the first, let's take a look on the box. Let's quickly check the specs. So as you can see, right here we got the key features. There's also the minimum system requirements in this place, and also some kind of the technology like the backplate, dual fan, DRMOS, cooler, and LED lighting. Okay, so let's go inside. Let's cut the foil. Okay, so that's what we have inside. Okay, and that's all. So I'm gonna put back this box. That's the quick installation guide with the QR code. And right here we got our card. Okay, so as you can see, right here we got the Hellhound logo. There's also the serial number of the card. That's how it looks from the front. Right here we can find another QR code, and that's the PCI. Here we have all inputs. Let me just put it like that. So there's only one HDMI and 3 DP. 2 fans with LED lights, and I think that's all. It feels solid on the hands, and if you are interested in any like performance test of this card, you will find this video. This video is on our YouTube channel, and by the way, there is external power supply that we have to plug right here if you want to use this card. It's 8-pin actually. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And also check the channel for other videos with this performance test card. See ya.